Hi everyone there. I hope you all are fine, guys. So I welcome you to this channel, guys. And in this video, particularly, guys, to this video, I will be sharing my journey of becoming a software engineer with no prior experience or degree. And also in this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the tips that helped me along the way, guys. So I know that many people feel like that they can break into the tech industries without a degree or experience. But guys, I'm here to tell you that it is possible. Before we proceed into this video, guys, just consider subscribing to this channel, guys, because we always come up with the valuable content for you guys. So do me do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Also, smash the like button to give this video appreciation, to give this video thumbs ups. No further ado, guys. So let's dive in. Okay, and I'm going to start by sharing my background. Just simple to summarize my background, guys. So I was working as a customer service representative at a call center when I was first become and there when I first become interested in programming, guys. So I had always been interested in computers, but I didn't know anything about programming until a friend introduced me to it. So at first, I found it to be a bit intimidating, but I quickly became fascinated by it, guys. So this is a quick background of mine regarding becoming a software engineer, guys. And I'm going now to share my experience in this field. And I'm going to divide my experience in about four sections. I'm going to share my experience when it comes to online sources, but also I'm going to share my experience when it comes to building projects, but also I'm going to share my experience to you when it's coming in terms of joining boot camps, and as well as I'm going to share my experience to you when it's coming now start building up your portfolio, guys. So all you need to do, just stay tuned and pay attention to what I'm about to share with you soon in this video, guys. So let's dive in, guys, and I'm going to start sharing my experience regarding online sources. So when it comes to online sources, so the first things I did was to start learning from online resources. And as I remember, I spent a lot of time watching YouTube tutorials, reading blogs, and taking online courses. Some of the resources that helped me the most were Code Academy or the Code Academy, also Udemy, and a free code camp. For example, Code Academy, Code Academy offers a free online interactive platform that teaches you how to code in multiple programming languages. And then I started with the free courses on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once I had a basic understanding of these languages, guys, I moved on to more complex concepts like React and Node.js. Udemy is another platform that offers affordable courses on a wide variety of programming topics, guys. I think all of you know that. So I found their courses to be a very comprehensive and easy to follow. For example, I took a course on building a full stack web application using React, Node.js, and the Mongo database. So the MongoDB. So this causes me to learn how to build little web application from start to finish, guys. So and then finally regarding online courses, Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization that offers a free online coding curriculum that teaches you how to code while also contributing to open source projects. And I found their curriculum to be very challenging and rewarding. For example, what I remember that I completed their front-end certification, which involved the building a series of complex web applications using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, guys. So this is my experience when it comes to online courses. So when it comes to building projects, guys, let me start giving you my experience on that. So once I felt comfortable with the basics of programming, guys, now I started building small projects. As you can see, for beginners, you can to start with the complex one. You need to start with the small projects, and that was also me. I was starting with just small projects because at that time I was just a beginner. So I built a simple calculator, it to do restart, with the app. So these projects helped me to put into practice what I had learned, and they also gave me something to show potential employers, guys. So, for example, I built a simple weather app using React and a Open Weather Map API. So this app allowed users to enter their location and see the current weather conditions. I also built a to-do list app using React and a Firebase React Time database. So this app allowed users to create, edit, and delete tasks in real time. Okay, this is all about my experience when it comes to building projects, guys, and I try to summarize it so that to make this video not too long, guys. So now I'm going to share my experience when it comes to bootcamp. So when it comes to joining a bootcamp after about 2 years of learning on my own, guys, I decided to join a coding bootcamp. So bootcamps are intensive programs that teaches you the skills you need to become a software engineer. In short, period of time, guys. So I joined a boot camp that lasted for 6 months. And then during that time, I learned a lot of new skills and also got to work on real world projects. For example, what I remember, I joined a boot camp called the Full Stack Academy, which is based in New York City. This program focused on teaching full-stack JavaScript development using React, Node.js, and a PostgreSQL. So during the bootcamp, I worked on several projects, including a social media app and a real-time chat app. So these projects helped me to gain experience working on a team and also helped me to build a portfolio of projects, guys. So this is all my experience when it comes to joining bootcamp. Now I'm going to give you my experience when it comes to now you need when it comes to the time you need to start building your portfolio. So I'm going to share my experience when it comes to building a portfolio. So guys, what I was doing, what I was done there. So this is all about. So when it comes to building a portfolio, one of the most important things that helped me to get my first job was having a strong portfolio of projects. A portfolio is a collection of projects that showcase your skills and abilities as a software engineer. My portfolio included the projects that I had built on my own and the projects that I had worked on during the bootcamp. For example, I remember I built a web application called Receipt Box as a part of my bootcamp project. This application allowed users to search for recipes by ingredients and they save their favorite recipes to their profile. I also built a full stack e-commerce website that allowed users to purchase products and manage their orders. I made sure to document all of my projects on GitHub, so which is a code hosting platform, as you all know that. So it is a code hosting platform that allows you to store and collaborate on code with others. I also created a personal website to showcase my projects and skills. Okay, now let me give you important tips, guys. You can take all it up. So when it comes, you want to become as a software engineer, you want to become a good one in the market, guys. So these are some of the tips that can help you to take all the way up. So you need to start with the basics. This is the tip number one. If you are just starting out, I would recommend start with the basics. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript first, and then move on to more advanced topics like React or Node.js. So there are plenty of free resources online that can help you to get started. And the tip number two, you need to start building projects from simple to complex one. So building project is the best way to learn programming. Start with the small projects like a calculator or to-do list app, then work your way up to more complex applications. These projects will help you to put into practice what you have learned and also give you something to show to potential employers. So the third tip, guys, you need to join a bootcamp. So if you have the means, I would highly recommend joining a coding bootcamp. So bootcamp bootcamps can help you to learn programming faster and also give you access to a network of professionals in the industry. There are many bootcamps available, so be sure to do your research and find one that fits your needs. In addition to that, guys, in addition to technical skills, having having a problem mindset and being able to communicate effectively with your team members are also important qualities for a software engineer. As a software engineer, you will be working on a complex project with other developers, designers, and stakeholders. Being able to articulate your ideas collaborate effectively, and think creatively to find solutions to problems will make you a valuable asset to any team. So don't forget to develop your soft skills alongside your technical skills as you pursue your goal of becoming a software engineer, guys. Now, the first tip I'm going to give you in this video now, it's all about networking. You need to do networking with the community, guys. So networking is important in the industry, and the tech industry is no exception, guys. Attend meetups and events, join online communities, and connect with other professionals in the industry. You never know who might be able to help you to find your first job, guys. So all I can say regarding this talk, becoming a software engineer, guys, without a degree or experience is possible. It takes time and dedication, but it can be done. And I hope that my journey and the tips I have been helpful to you guys. So whether you have a degree or not, with hard work and persistence, you can achieve your goal of becoming a software engineer and have a fulfilling career in the ever evolving tech industry, guys. So hope you found this video helpful. Consider subscribing, smash the like button to give this video appreciation, guys. Thank you for watching, and then let me see in the next video. Next video. Next video. Next video. Next video. Next video. Next video.